Hi guys, I hope you are well. Today I will explain you some strategies related to listening and speaking. But before, I'd like to repeat the previous vocabulary with you. Then let me ask you some questions. Okay, the first question is, do you use any gadgets on a daily basis? Yes, you use a computer, you use, yes, laptop, smartphones, right? Yeah, we cannot imagine our life without cutting edge technology, right? Okay, how often do you use internet? Mhm. Yes, you use internet very often. Yes, because of social media, right? What else? Because of your studies. Mhm. Okay. Do you own a computer? If so, how often do you use it and for what purposes? You have a personal computer, laptop. Okay, great. You use it mainly for education. Mhm. All right. Yeah. Is it convenient to work with your laptop? Okay, great. Next question. How computers affect our everyday life? Mhm. Yes. Okay. They help with so many things, starting from writing and printing your own essay and ending with developing advanced program and digital editing. Mhm. Okay, then let's go on with our new lesson. Let me share my screen. Yes. As you know, we have two types of multiple choice questions. The first one is single questions and list questions. Single questions with a choice of three answers, A, B, C. Occasionally, there may be four options. For list questions, these have a longer list of possible answers, and you must select more than one as specified in the question. Okay, in order to complete this task, we should underline the keywords in questions before. But let me give you some strategies. We should read the question carefully. You will have a short time to prepare before the speaker or speakers begin talking. First, read the question very carefully to ensure that you know exactly what you have to do. Second, look for a lead title. Not every question will have a title, but if there is one, it will tell you the context of the question. This will help you to understand the answers listed and give you a big clue as to what sort of information will be contained in the recording. Underline the keyword in the question. Next, underline or highlight the keyword in the question. In this question, it is recommended. For example, what three items are recommended to take with you to the spa? Then predict the answer. Now look at the list of answers. You may be able to predict which ones are correct or at least one or two of them, and a couple that are probably wrong. Think of synonyms. Expect to hear all the answer options in the recording, not just the correct answers. You will have to listen very carefully to determine if each item is or isn't recommended. Identify the difference. In single questions with a choice of three or four answers, the answers may be similar in some way to try and catch you out. If this is the case, underline any keywords that will help you to work out difference in meaning between them. An example for our question might be, for example, you must take a towel. You can borrow a towel. The towel will be provided. Watch out for distractors. Distractors can be like bots, no sorry. However, if we see such kind of uh, distractors, we should be careful. Okay, now let's do the task. It is listening task. You should complete it now. Mhm. Okay, you have completed. Okay, have you checked your answers? Okay, how many mistakes have you made? Mhm. Is it clear? Do you have any question? Okay, then let's go on with speaking. I'd like to give you some tips related to speaking. Firstly, speak, speak, speak. It is the first tip. Be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possible can. Don't be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill like learning a musical instrument or new sport. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. Use technology. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking, then listen back to see how your English sounds to other people. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice time and make a note of all the new words you learn. Listen to new songs in English, listen to the pronunciation of words. Yeah, listening is important as well. Read out loud. Read a newspaper or a magazine out to yourself. Learn a new word every day. Choose a word you would like to work on and use practice it different in different language sentences. Use the word until you have learned it and keep using it regularly. Watch films in English and pay attention to new vocabulary and pronunciation. Imitate the actors and have fun with it. Then make friends with English speakers or other learning to speaking English and compare notes. Talk about things that you have learned and exchange ideas. Do interesting activities in English, have a debate, use a dictionary. Then we have a vocabulary related to the uh, cooking, the meals, food. You will learn all of them. I will ask their definitions. Okay, now let's go on with the questions. I will ask you new questions related to cooking. The first one is, what are some of the things that you can cook? Okay, yes, most of you can cook fast food. Yeah, it is so easy. And who can cook national meals? Okay, yes, you have prepared your national food. Okay, what about you? You have never cooked. Mhm. Do you like cooking? I said, do you like cooking? You like? All right. Only in summer. Okay, only in summer you like cooking, but because of your study, it's impossible to do it during the academic year. Okay, then how often do you cook? Okay, yes, just once a week. Mhm. Then we have two idioms related to the phrases cooking. Have bigger fish to fry. When you say you have bigger fish to fry, it means you have more important things to do. For example, I can't worry about this small issue right now. I have bigger fish to fry. Eat humble pie. This idiom means to admit one's mistakes and apologize. In popular culture, it is common belief that the origin of eating humble pie is from serving humble pie, a dish made with animal innards to lower class people who couldn't afford meat. For example, after realizing his mistake, he had to eat humble pie and apologize to his colleagues. That's all for today. See you